Hi everyone, welcome to Alice's Kitchen. Today I am piping some rosettes on a cake, so that's all round at the top. So I just thought I would share with you quickly. So what I have here is a 3-tier 8-inch cake. I've just crumb coated it just so that there are no crumbs coming out if there's any gap. So I'll just quickly show you as I go around and pipe the cake. So we'll just start from the bottom and then we go around. Then I pull it off. So our first layer is done. The trick is to keep it close to each other so there are no gaps. And now we're just gonna go into the second layer. I think because of the height of our cake, we'll only have 2 layers and then we'll do the top. So now I'm doing pink and the second layer. If you do happen to get any gaps like here, it's alright, leave them. We'll come back and fill them up when we are done. So before I move on to the top, I'm just gonna look for the gaps and I'll just fill them up like that. And then where I can put a tiny rose, just do that. Yep, I think we've covered all our gaps. I am just going to spin this around so you can see before I move on to the top. So that's our rosettes done. Now we're just doing the top. The top will be very quick because you don't have to do it at an angle. And I'm just gonna fill up the gaps. And there we go. We've got our beautiful cake. Just a bit of focus on the top so they can see. So depending on the height of your cake, you might have to do 3 layers on the side and then a bit more on the top. But yeah, that was easy.